If you'd like to see, I'm going to transform these little $5 pharmacy store knockoff Crocs into this gentle, very basic design. Keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video, I'm just going to add some very basic and minimal designs to these little clogs that I purchased from the drugstore. And they're going to be very directed by my mother-in-law. She has a cousin who wanted a pair done, and they described how they wanted them. They're not really into bling at all, and they just wanted a couple patches and just something to resemble like the medical working field. So I'm just wiping these shoes off really good. I already added one of these charms that I made previously to the shoe before I started the video, so I just kind of left it on. Now I have this Nurse Bae patch on here, which I do have available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. And I'm just kind of lining it up on the shoe. And she'll kind of tell me how she wants it angled, because she wanted it angled at a certain way. Now I don't usually do this, but I have all my stuff there, and I was just kind of like, okay, I could just whip them up for you now. So I'm going to use this Maxi Cure Glue by Bob Smith. And if you're going to use a patch and use the glue to glue it on, try to peel off that little shiny backing. I like this glue because it works very fast and it takes just a little bit. In about 10 to 20 seconds, as you press this on, it kind of just really locks on. And it does a full cure in about 3 hours, and it works really good with fabric. I'll have a link to where you could buy this glue. Now here's another little medical charm that I made in a previous video. And as you can see, these holes are very small, and the bottom of the charm wouldn't fit, so I just used like a pair of scissors and just kind of cut into it, and so it wouldn't move around too much. I added a little bit of glue behind it, I believe off camera. So I have that on, and I'm showing you how I'm peeling off the backing so I can glue this on without it trying to come off. And I'm angling it again the way she wanted it angled. So then I'll be adding the glue and just pressing this on as well. Okay, so I'm adding this on, and then after having just the one charm and the one patch, it still was just a little too bland. So I added a couple little bit of these rhinestones, and these have like a really cute little oval shape. I guess the shape is called horse eye. And I got these off AliExpress, not Alibaba, but AliExpress.com, like a little small portion of them, just to see how I like them, because I like to have different shaped things. So this is good for someone who wants something that's extremely basic, very minimal, don't like a lot of extra, don't want a lot of glam. Because you know, when I do Crocs and slides, usually I add a lot on, a lot of bling, a lot of trim, a lot of, you know, like fabric, but everyone is not into that. So I wasn't even going to record this, but I thought it would be a good idea just to show how you can tone something down. Everything doesn't have to be super over the top. So these are not my favorite pair of Crocs, but I like them because they're different, and it shows the variety that you can do with these shoes. I'm almost finished, and I'll show you the final result. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these clogs that I got from the pharmacy for about $5. Very plain. I just have one patch on each of these, and a little dome charm that I made with the little medical pieces I glued on. And then I have these little probably about 10 horse eye rhinestones, just to give it a little something, because it just seemed too empty and bare. You could even do this design with no rhinestones at all. If you just want to do one patch, you could do that too. These shoes are very customizable to your own liking, so that's the great thing about these type of shoes. And I think these were like a size 9 in women's or 10 in women's or something like that. Thanks you guys for watching this video. It's not a lot going on with these shoes at all, but I know this does fit someone's personality, and that's okay. But thanks you guys for watching this video. If you did find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, or send it to someone who may be interested. And like I said, you can find these patches on my website, myroyalradiance.com, and I always have a 10% off coupon code, and it's Royal Beauty 10 off. Thanks again for watching this video, you guys. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted every time I upload a new video. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram at LifeIsAWholeVibe with underscores in between each word, and on TikTok as well. Bye-bye.